guys, so this is my cousin Cherish. She's gonna be in my video too soon. She's gonna be in my videos now. Sometimes.
And you guys saw me in the other video. We was doing a dance video. Yeah. And go
No,
check that out.
This is a new one.
I know. We did a one together in this video. We'll leave that description down below for people who didn't see that.
Today we are going to be making slime.
But not just any slime, Orby slime.
Yeah, but Cherish, we need to get this because we need to set up the camera.
Just put it right here.
Yeah, but we need more room so they can see.
So we'll just back it up.
Oh, guys, look, this is the,
we made Orbeez.
This is the Orby thing.
So these are ready to go pop up, you know?
No, we're gonna leave them to little ball. That's how it's supposed to be.
I know that when we get bigger, we'll put them on our slime. So let's tell them what we got so far. I'll tell them we got these cups to put our slimes in. You know?
Okay, I'll introduce them to the kit.
Yeah, I've got this little slime kit.
Wait. All right, show them.
All right,
guys, we got the little slime kit here.
Well, it's big. Yeah.
It's big. So, guys, once you guys take it out a little bit,
screenshot it. Well, you guys can screenshot it if you want to extra place to get it for you. It should be show them.
Yeah, this will be better.
Hey, look, guys, they're growing already.
Yeah, exactly. They are.
We just put them in like a.
So we have color here.
Yeah. So let's have
base.
And then, sorry guys. Then we have some baking soda
activator. We have fuzzy goop mix.
And then we have sodium. And
then we have glue, and we have these little glitter things.
But we're not using this, guys. It's glue in the dark glue.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we got our 2 cups.
We got some mixing spoons right here.
Here, I'll get them.
Yeah, let's get 2 of them out.
We got 1. We have 3 of them, but
actually we have 4, but I don't know where everyone's at.
The other one's right here. But guys, we have them. So Cherry, this is your cup to mine. Now we'll start with the glue.
Okay. And then we'll do some paint, whatever. I guess, right? Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna pour some glue.
Can't wait to make this slime. And then we gotta use our fingers. Oh my gosh.
There you go, Cherish. There's a lot in there.
I know. Tell me what is that?
Try to go to that line right there.
Alright, to that one right there?
Yeah. Cheers. I think I did a little bit too much.
Here, let's put some in yours.
Wait. You gotta finish yours though.
Yours is actually pretty quick.
Yeah. So guys, right now we're just putting the glue into hers.
You did know a little bit, but here, I don't make it even. Just put
No, that's my glue.
It's fine.
Alright, Chelsea, you gotta finish doing that. I want my slime purple.
But don't mind, it's pink.
Okay. Swear.
Should I do mine purple since it's already open?
It don't matter. Just open one that you like.
This looks like it's gonna be some good slime. Gosh, okay, this should piss some
It looks blue in the camera, but it's purple actually, really purple.
Yeah.
Don't it look blue in the camera?
Sure it does.
It's really purple, guys. Here, let me see if I can get. Oh, it's purple, but it looks blue this way. Alright, so right now, guys, we're just mixing.
This is a pretty
mixing.
Can't believe this.
What do we add next?
Lotion.
Lotion?
Yeah, I have
We
this.
do?
Yeah, they make it stretchy.
Wait. I do yours first.
Okay.
I think we add that at the end, but do it just a little bit.
Don't you want to make yours stretchy, Micaiah? Lotion makes it stretchier.
Yeah, but I just wanted to add some at the end. I don't want to mess it up.
Okay. I'm not trying to mess mine up either, but I'm just trying to make mine stretchy.
So what's next? Activator?
Or we can put some sparkles in like these.
Oh yeah, guys, we gotta put some.
I'll get gold. Wait, which one? Y'all just get purple and
Sure, just get whatever you want.
No, I'm just saying, which one are you open? Because this is your slime kit. So I'm just gonna get the one that, like, it's open.
So guys, I got the purple glitter. Wait, what are you doing?
I'm trying to help you.
Here.
Oh, that's pretty.
So guys, that's what it looks like. I'll show you mine.
Oh my gosh, that was too much.
Cherish.
That was
Whoa, cherish. Whoa.
I know I messed up big time.
That's okay.
It's still pretty. Look.
Yeah. It's not even showing that much. So
I'll put a little bit more in yours. I'm just saying.
I want to show you guys what I've done. Alrighty, so that's. Oh, hold up.
I look like a hairy one. Yeah, I'll show them mine. So here's what I'm working with now, guys. This little cup of hairiness. It's actually cute though. I just gotta keep stirring like to get that full texture, you know?
Yeah, so guys, right now
Just mix and texture. Yours barely show. I'll put a little bit more in there. Here's put your cup right here. I'll scoop it. There, that should be good. So that looks pretty.
What's next?
We can do.
Wait, let me get your phone real quick because I don't honestly I don't make slime like that, guys. So don't worry.
Yeah. So this is me and Micaiah's. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Wow. It actually does look blue. Oh shit, mine's about to fall.
Alright, put your password in, Cherish.
What are we doing? Going to YouTube?
Oh yeah, I'm trying to figure out how I make slime.
Micaiah, we had the glitter. We
wait.
just need the activator and the baking soda. Because baking soda is like.
Okay. What are you doing?
It's over here.
I'm going on Google. Guys, don't give me that dirty look, 'cause I can take my slime.
I was smiling.
Alright.
We did these two steps. Now I think we.
Alright, wait. Add 1 cup of, what's this called? Of this. So, 1 cup.
Will we open this?
You open it and then pour a whole, like, fill it up. Yeah.
Here, I have to open this one. Dang. Oh, God dang. Okay, guys, sorry.
Alright. Then I add that to mine. Now fill it up and then add it to yours.
Making it.
Guys.
Let's make it a slime. Oh gosh. We're gonna start using our hands actually too. We need to activate it, Micaiah.
Activator?
Yeah.
So we just add the activator to it?
Yeah.
Like this?
Just add the activator because that makes the slime come into slime. Add this. Oh my gosh.
A little bit at a time.
Yeah. I think our slime's gonna be good.
Yeah. I need to like fix this.
Ugh. We gotta start using our hands in a minute, for real, for real.
So I'm basically mixing it with my hands.
Shoot. I'm about to start using my hands, for real. You using your hands?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I think we got this wrong. Because mine's so weird. Yeah. Just add more activator, Micaiah.
Wait. Don't do nothing. Stop what you're doing, Cherish. Stop. Stop.
I don't think mine's a slime. We do have to get our hands dirty for real. Our slime is messed up. What do we do wrong?
Watch out, watch out. I'm using it. What? You make it work? Yeah. Move. It's not hurting.
You're making another one?
Yeah.
Could I make another one?
No. It's like, I'm not making another one.
Why you have that?
Because I am. I mean, because I have it. Because I'm trying to do something. You do it at times.
I think we did something wrong, guys. Look. Did this come with instructions?
Move, Trash. Move, move.
But can I use this?
No. You better get something.
I'll use this.
What do you know? Wait, Cherish. I'm about to get you something.
You're using that?
Because it's mine. Move. Let me see. Yeah, do not do nothing yet.
Hello? You see my blue? I thought you was making another one.
Can you leave me alone, Cherish?
No, because you...
For real, for real.
You're lying. You said you was going to make another one.
You are hype. Why is you so hype?
If I was her, I had a smile on my face.
Here, make your little slime right there. I don't gotta deal with this at all.
Well, you can leave then.
Oh no, I got water on your phone. So they told me to add this first. And then push your password.
Why?
Because I'm trying to see the instructions. Ew!
I got that in my mouth.
Put the password in. Get that out your mouth. You could get sick. And then add a mixture of glue. I'm making this for you, Cherish.
Why are you making it for me? more bees.
That's mine. Look what it did. Guys, I did it right.
Don't you use the activator?
I'm doing it step by step, Cherish.
Can't believe she's making that for me. Hey guys, we can do another video because we have this, what's this called again? This Nerf one, thanks for watching. Whoever does it, we have to get back to you guys because we have to clean up this mess we made.
Yeah, so I love you guys so much.
Looks good. So bye guys, we have all.
Why are you ending my video? No.
Oh, I thought you said
Alright guys, I'm gonna just end my own video. I don't want to get you in trouble, Cherish. Bye.